Okay, February 2017. I'm taking a look at the heat riser on Project 66R. And right now the valve is closed, and then when it warms up, this spring is going to lose its tension, and this is going to drop down, this weight here, and it's going to open. Okay, that's how it works. Now, let's go take a look at one bid and see if it's working. This is one bid, and the weight is in the correct position for being cold, and when it warms up, this should go all the way like that. I don't know if you can see any of that. So that one is working, providing the little flapper is still in the pipe, which I assume it would be. Now the next step would be to start the engine and see if that intake manifold is getting hot during warm-up in the right places, and also that this weight will come around and close it off when it's warmed up. So we'll take a look. Okay, one bid here has some issues with drivability when it's cold, and I already checked the heat riser, compared it with Project 66R over here, and as long as that little flapper is in place, the heat riser is in the correct position for startup. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this started up, and I'm going to check to see if those little passages right there are warming up. And that's where the exhaust goes up through one side and out the other. And if that is correct, we know that that's not the problem, and we'll move on to other things. So let's get this thing fired up. Getting some heat up in that left side there. The heat riser the weight has dropped. So all those, that system appears to be working correctly. Okay, in conclusion, we're not 100% sure if those passages are wide open or if they're partially blocked. I was getting some heat temp readings on this side after just a few minutes of running. Obviously not as hot as the left bank, but really there's only one way to know, and that would be to pull this intake manifold to make sure they're completely open. So that may be the next step. I'm not really sure, but we do know that some heat is going over there. So in conclusion, think it's working, but the only way to know is to pull it off.